The horizon glows in shades of gold as the futuristic motorhome rests quietly, its silhouette gleaming like a sculpture carved from light. The pearl-white exterior flows in uninterrupted curves, wrapped with golden LED lines that trace its aerodynamic form. But this isn't just a vehicle, it's a mansion in motion, a dream that moves with you. Step inside, and the story begins. The entrance opens into the bedroom suite, where comfort meets pure imagination. The bed appears to float above the floor, its frame hidden under a soft amber glow. Walls curve seamlessly around you, dressed in champagne tones and lined with smart glass panels that shift from transparent to tinted with a touch. Above, a skylight reveals the moving stars, creating the illusion of drifting through a celestial sea. The air smells faintly of sandalwood and linen, and every breath feels like calm captured in motion. Adjacent lies the private dressing cabin, a sanctuary of precision and poise. A full-length mirror lights up as you approach, adjusting its warmth to complement your skin tone. Drawers glide open silently, revealing compartments designed for every fabric, every fragrance. It's more than just a space to prepare, it's a ritual of elegance. Move further, and the office awaits, a futuristic workspace where productivity feels poetic. The desk, crafted in carbon fiber and gold accents, faces a panoramic window that makes the world your backdrop. Holographic displays rise gently from the surface, connecting you to anywhere on Earth while the ambient sound system hums with focus-enhancing tones. The chair molds to your posture, and every surface feels designed to silence distraction. The journey continues through the lounge, the heart of the motorhome. Plush graphite sofas wrap around a floating glass table, softly lit from below. Light flows along the ceiling like liquid, and the walls seem to breathe with warm illumination. It's a space where every sunset feels personal, every silence feels intentional. Right beside, the kitchen and small bar come alive in elegant contrast. The bar glows in white marble and golden edges, stocked with crystal decanters that catch the ambient light. The kitchen, minimal and seamless, hides its genius behind smooth panels. Touch a surface, and it reveals induction counters, AI-assisted appliances, and a smart brewing system that knows your morning ritual by heart. Every inch feels alive. The compact gym stands ready for movement and mindfulness. Matte floors, sleek dumbbell racks, and ambient lighting turn every workout into a ritual of precision. A treadmill faces the wide window, so even while you run, the world runs with you, responding to your presence. A frosted glass partition slides open to reveal the washroom, a blend of tranquility and innovation. The mirror doubles as a digital assistant. The rainfall shower feels like mist from the clouds, and soft underlighting transforms every reflection into art. Brushed stone, golden trims, and whisper-quiet ventilation make it more spa than washroom. And then, at the heart of it all, the cockpit. A command center that feels more like a spacecraft than a driver's cabin. Full glass digital panels curve around the seat, projecting navigation, weather, and AI control interfaces in real time. The pilot's seat reclines with memory foam contours, surrounded by panoramic vision and adaptive lighting that changes with the sky. When this motorhome moves, it doesn't drive, it glides, breathing softly through the night like a living creation. Every detail, from the floating bed to the glowing bar, from the gym to the golden-lit cockpit, redefines what luxury can mean. This isn't travel, it's transformation. A private world built for those who carry their dreams wherever they go. Comment below and let us know which part of this futuristic motorhome captured your imagination. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more of the world's most luxurious and futuristic private motorhomes.